guys, so today we are in Charleston, South Carolina, and we are shooting several pieces of content for commercials for a client, really good client of mine, B Campbell Customs, custom made suits and the bespoke. Yeah, he's the one that you want to definitely link up with. But we're on here on the dock right now. We're about to get on the boat, have some content that we're going to create out there. I have my Ronin, I have my drone, I have just everything that I possibly need to go ahead and create some content. And I definitely have a washcloth or a rag because again, it is nice and steamy out here. So we're gonna create some content. I want you guys to come along with me. I'm gonna try to give you guys some pro tips as far as what I'm doing and how I'm shooting the videos while I'm out there. So come ride with me as we take this on. I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right, let's go. All right. So right now, I'm pretty much just setting up my gimbal. I am going to be shooting this content in a vertical format, being that that's the way the deliverables will go for this one. I thought about shooting it in a horizontal format, but again, once it comes into where a client has a predominant social platform that they're using, we're just going to stick with the one that they use right now and the content that they need. Now, here's a pro tip. I'm in South Carolina and it is extremely humid. With that being said, a pro tip to you is, of course, always to get here early, but for this case, you definitely want to get here early. You want your equipment to acclimate to the weather that you're around, because right now, if you can see it on my screen, there's a whole ton of condensation on here. So again, the equipment just needs to seriously warm up. I also get this question a lot. People are asking, how do you balance your gimbal in a vertical format? And it's actually pretty easy. So ideally, what you want is to have it to where it's mostly could sit flat or level on its own. So you find that portion to where you get it balanced just right. As you can see here, it's balanced just right here. It's just pulling just a little bit, being that I'm on an incline. Make sure you mount everything to it first before you even start it up. If you have any mics or anything like that, it's mounted, any cords are all plugged in, because again, that will throw your balance off. And as you can see, nice and level. Yeah, I was trying to get closer to the bridge, and then I'm gonna have it more. I'm trying to test my balance back here, really, to be honest. Man, look, that's all I'm saying. Let me just see how, kind of get the cadence of what, how fast are you gonna go? Or is he just cruising at this speed, All right, perfect. So I have the two girls kind of looking back this way. You guys are looking forward though, okay? All right. Yeah, I see you. Good job. Looking at the water, girls. You see it? What? Can you guys point to the water? Like, oh, there's the water. Yeah, that's it. Good job. Good job. Now, both of you guys looking at your daughters, looking over. Good job. Still looking over at each other. You guys are still looking back that way, okay? All right, B. So I'm gonna grab you for a couple of shots on that side. All right. Got the background? Yep. Looking over that left shoulder. Let's do it again. Okay. Let's just pour it out. Usually I'm up We're going to over-exaggerate that. That's always fine. Yeah, there we go. Oh, man. Love and happiness. Wait a minute. Happiness is when you really feel good with somebody. There's nothing wrong being in love with someone. Yeah. Oh, baby, love that I have.
Big things, ni mo like. Shade the show, look up for my life. When I walk through the valley of the shadow.
one of the reasons why I really love shooting in different parts of the country, or in this case here, we're in South Carolina. I'm on the side of the road right now. I'm about 4 minutes away from the next location that I'm going to shoot, but I had to pull over because these trees are absolutely amazing. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, these trees. These things are like 100+ years old, and it's actually amazing. Let's take a look. This is turning into a nature video, but I'm just saying, it's like really insane just to think about. This thing has been here for years. It's insane. All right, for this shot, we're actually gonna be doing a shot in the bathroom. We're gonna get some products on that side, clothing on this side back here, and I'm just gonna get just swooping shots. I'm just gonna go ahead and get an establishing shot of the product itself, nice and tight. Perfect. I'm looking to get the placement of this robe. I want to get this. And this is another safe shot that I'm gonna get here. So you're coming out of the bathroom, and 3, 2, 1. Nice. One at a time. Oh yeah, so go ahead and reach back out to that one more time. Not yet. Yeah, I want to get your hand, getting that. There we go. All right, so 3, 2, 1, go for it.
I start my day off with the men's routine, facial wash, setting my mood for the day. Grabbing a cup of coffee, maybe smoking a cigar, going through swatches right before appointments. Tailoring my brain to what my customer needs. At V Campbell Custom, we believe every man deserves at least one custom suit.
Okay, all right, and 3, 2, 1, go for it.
Don't kill me, Ronin.
Wait, not yet. Oh man, that's too funny. All right, you can start when you're ready, because I don't want to count it down. You guys looking in. Brandon, you kind of like bumping her with your shoulder a little bit. Come on, you know this one. You know this one. Yes, there we go. All right, girls, go for it. Good job. Tickle, tickle, tickle to him, tickle to him. Good job. All right, one more time on the tickle, guys. Good job. Hey, you changed already? That was so fast. That was like the fastest change ever. Ever. That was the fastest change. The fastest change. The fastest. All right. So
being a small business owner, you're already wearing many different hats. A husband, plus a business owner. On top of being a father, you can't negate the fact that you are a family man first. And a lot of times you have to pivot, meeting customer needs, and still giving your family 100%. So at V Campbell Custom, every detail matters, even when it comes to family.
all right, guys, so there you have it. I am on the road back to Atlanta right now. It's almost about a 6-hour ride with the traffic, which is weird. But anyway, we were able to take you guys on the boat, go out on the water, get some really great shots of Brandon and his family, some solo shots of him for his clothing, and overall just as the family, to show that family bond when it comes down to that portion of the business. And also, take you guys outside to see exactly how we pose things out, just the overall way that we interact with each other. I think the chemistry when you're working with a client for a long period of time makes complete sense. You guys get each other, you guys know the vision that you're trying to execute, or they have the vision and you're helping them execute that. And overall with the final product, that's when it really comes down, and that's where the science really comes together. It's kind of like baking a cake at that point, because everything comes together and it just tastes so good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys just go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you guys are really enjoying the content, please, in the comments, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to take a look at. You know, I'll continue to keep producing these videos. It gives me the opportunity just to make sure that I'm showcasing the things that I do in the field, so it may help one of you guys back outside at home or in the field when you guys are doing this on your own. So again, my name is Jay. I am a creative entrepreneur here in the Atlanta area and owner of J.August Media. And just like I tell you guys all the time, make sure you keep those cameras clicking. Until next time.